Hello to all of you. I am Agamjot Singh, studying in Maxfort School, Paschim Bihar, in class 3rd. Today I would like to share a few things about the importance of science in our day-to-day life. Let us start with the word science itself. How did it come into use and what does it mean? The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. We are in the era of science. Science is very useful for us. Science is based on curiosity and why. Science is a great blessing to mankind. Our daily life would have been quite different without the power of science. So many different things we do use daily are inventions by science only. Can you imagine the life without computers, mobile phones, cars, aeroplanes, etc.? Do you know that without even realizing it, we all were born young scientists? You have been exploring the senses and building your own ideas, how it works. But there are many things out there that we can explain just by making example observations that the universe is infinite. What is electricity? What causes COVID and cancer? Why do birds fly? Why do we fall in love? Science intends to answer these and many more other questions about the universe. Science is a way of exploring the world to describe and understand everything that occurs around us and inside us. Scientific knowledge also allows us to create technology and use it but to change the world. Like art, science is born from our passion and curiosity about life and it is everywhere. That is why we study science in school. This is a great adventure. Are you in? Thank you.
Thank you friends for sharing your thoughts.
Nothing is theoretically impossible until it is done. Science is the systematic classification of experience. Now our Maxfortians would like to show you some live experiments.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ishwani Kondal. I study in class 1st A. My teacher name is Shweta Bansal ma'am. Today we are doing seed germination. Let's start. So chickpeas for a day. Take a cotton balls. Put some cotton balls in the glass. Add water. So put chickpeas in the glass. Cover cotton balls with cotton. Add water again. After 24 hours, seed germination. After 15 days, we got a plant. Thank you. My name is Devar Singh. I am 6 years old. I study in first A class. My teacher name is Sweta Bansal ma'am. Today I will do seed germination activity. Now start. First, stick wet cotton into the glass and some seeds, some water to wet the cotton. Now done.
Hey Sabreen, what are you doing?
I'm sowing seeds.
Seeds? Which seeds?
Black chana.
Okay. But why are you doing this?
Because I want to see how plants grow.
Okay.
I'm covering with soil. Now I take the water. Everything is done. Let's wait for the plant. Done. See, my black chana plant from seeds I germinated few days ago.
Good morning to one and all. I, Dhruv Agarwal of class 2nd C, want to show you an experiment today to keep ourselves free of germs. We require a shallow bowl, water, pepper, which will represent the germs, and a dish soap. Let us see the steps to be followed. Fill the bowl with water. Sprinkle pepper evenly across the surface of the water. You can see pepper is floating on the top because it is lighter than water. Stick your finger into the water. Now take small amount of soap on your finger. Stick your finger into the water again. Oh, what is it? You can see when the soap touches the water, the pepper shoots to the side. Without any soap on your finger, the germs, the pepper, don't move at all. However, the germs don't like soap and it takes them off your hands. This is why the pepper ran away from the soap on your finger. This experiment shows साबुन लगाओ करो कमाल रहो सदा स्वस्थ और खुशहाल हैंड वॉश की आदत अपनाओ जर्म्स को दूर भगाओ थैंक यू
Hello everyone, I am Sahara from class 4B from Maxfort School, Pashchim Vihar. Today I am going to highlight the process of sedimentation, decantation and filtering. So now we will talk about sedimentation. Take a glass of water, pour some soil into it, stir it well, leave it well without disturbing the sediments. you will notice that the sediments will settle down at the bottom of the glass. This process is known as sedimentation. Now quickly and gently pour down this clean water into another glass. You will notice that the sediments will remain in the previous glass only. This process is known as decantation. Now use stainer, filter paper, pour the liquid into another glass. This process is known as filtration. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vyan Sharma. Today I am going to show you an activity on air exerts pressure. To do this activity, we need a cup of water and a piece of cardboard. Take care that water do not contain any air bubble. Now put the cardboard on the glass and quickly do upside down and slowly remove your hand from the cardboard. As you can see that water is not coming out, this shows that air exerts pressure. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Elisha from grade 5 will show you the experiment on air exerts pressure. You need a plastic bottle, a glass of water, a tape, a pen, and rough cloth and a bucket. You make a hole in the bottle. Cover the hole with the tape. Fill the water in the bottle. Close the cap of the bottle tightly. Remove the tape. What will you see? Water is not coming out of the hole. Why? This is because air exerts pressure in downward direction.
Hello friends, my name is Mary Singh. Today I will tell you the experiment that light travel in a straight line. All you need 3 CDs, a dry cloth clips, a candle, and that you have to make the CD holder with the dry clothes clip that you can see. I have done the first, second and third. You do it on 3 and you can see the light is traveling in a straight line, and now you could not see the light that travel in a straight line because light travel in a straight line.
Hello everyone, I'm Vana Malhotra of class 6th Maxfort School, Paschim Vihar. Today I'm going to demonstrate an activity on magnets. A long time ago, the Greeks discovered a certain type of black stone that had the power of attracting iron. The Greeks named it magnetite. Substances which are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic substance. Substances which are not are called non-magnetic substance. So today we are going to do an activity on magnetic and non-magnetic substances. So let's start with a tape. Is a tape attracted by the magnet? Let's see. It is not. Therefore, it is a non-magnetic substance. Let's try with the scissor. Is the scissor attracted by the magnet? It is. Therefore, it is a magnetic substance. A pen. Is it attracted? It is not. Therefore, it is another non-magnetic substance. Let's try with a remote. Is the magnet attracted to it? It is not. Therefore, it is another non-magnetic substance. Let's try with a pen. Is the pen attracted to the magnet? It is. Therefore, it is a magnetic substance. Let's try with another drawing pen. Is the drawing pen attracted by the magnet? Let's see. It is. Therefore, it is another magnetic substance. Let's try with a juice box. Is the juice box attracted by the magnet? It is not. Therefore, it is a non-magnetic magnetic substance. And let's try with an alarm clock. Is the magnet attracted to the alarm clock? It is. Therefore, it is another magnetic substance. So, here are all the magnetic substances, therefore substances which are attracted by the magnet. And these are all the substances which were not attracted by the magnet, therefore non-magnetic substances. These are two magnets. This is a North Pole and this is a South Pole. As they're unlike each other, they will attract each other. But if I put one North Pole and another North Pole with each other, if I try to bring them together, they will repel each other. They will not stick together. That's because opposite poles attract each other and same poles repel each other. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Niyazim from class 6A Maxfort School, Paschim Vihar, and now I would like to demonstrate how to do an electric circuit. So, for an electric circuit you need a battery, wire and a bulb. Take the wire and the bulb and connect them to each other. Like this. And now we have to connect it to the battery. So now we have connected the wire to the bulb and now we have to connect it with the battery. So now you can see that the bulb is glowing.
Hi everyone, my name is Jashneet. Today I am going to do an activity that shows that air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. You simply need an empty bottle, a balloon, a bowl of cold water and a bowl of hot water. You need to remove the cap of the bottle and put the balloon on it. Then put the bottle in the hot water. You will notice that the balloon expands because air expands on cooling. Then remove this bottle from the hot water and put it in the cold water. You will see that the balloon has not air in it. So the air contracts on cooling. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Suhani will explain you about properties of a plane mirror. Material required are a candle, a sheet on which I have marked my length and a plane mirror. Now I will keep my candle in the front of a plane mirror and look at the image formed in a mirror. Where is the image formed? Is the image formed behind the mirror? So let us go and check. Oh no, there is no image formed behind the mirror. So where is the image formed? So image is formed on the plane mirror. Therefore, image formed in a plane mirror is always virtual. Now I am going to light my candle on the length of 15 centimeter. You will observe that the distance of image formed on the mirror is also same. Now sit or stand in front of a mirror and raise your right hand. Which hand does your image raise? So your image raises your left hand. This phenomenon is known as literal inversion.
Thank you friends for sharing us these experiments. The good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. Music and rhythm find their way into the secret places of the soul where words leave off, music begins. Sometimes music is the only medicine the heart and soul needs. Now our Maxfortians will sing a song.
खुली नजर से देखो मित्रों खोलो मन के द्वार खुली नजर से देखो मित्रों खोलो मन के द्वार जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार आसपास की दुनिया किन नियमों पर चलती है, इसके कहने पर ये पृथ्वी घूमती रहती है। रहस्यमय अद्भुत भयकारी जो है लगता आज, हर डर टूटे विभ्रम छूटे खुले जब उसका राज। सोच बूझ से सब प्रश्नों के उत्तर हो साकार, जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार, जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार। सूक्ष्म जीव हो या सागर की महाकायसी भेल, परमाणु हो ब्लैक होल हो या लहरों का खेल, जिज्ञासा की डोर बांध कर जब हम कूद पड़े, प्रज्ञा के ये पंख खोल कर सच की ओर बढ़ें। इस दृष्टि से देखोगे तो लगे अलग संसार, जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार, जो है जैसा वैसा क्यों है इस पर करो विचार।
Wow, they are super talented. Every event has an end, such as this auspicious event. I am glad that you all join us. Moreover, wish you happiness, peace, health, success and liberty in all the field of life. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.